Hey, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A13 and going to give my hands-on first impressions. As usual, there is print of device and model number on top, and the box is quite thick and it seems Samsung didn't ditch the charging brick. And that's good news for the Samsung fans. Now let's open the box of the Galaxy A13, and first we have an envelope with a branding of Samsung which contains few paperwork, and sadly there is no silicone cover with the Galaxy A13. Next, here is the device itself, on which few features printed like Infinity V display, quad camera and fingerprint. Let's open its wrapper. And boom, here is the beautiful back of the Galaxy A13. I bought it in light blue color and it reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy A32. No camera bump and each lens has its own island. What's your opinion about its back? Please let me know in the comments below. Let's see what's next we have in the box. Here is the power adapter which is providing 15 watt fast charging, and that's good for a 5000 mAh battery phone. Next we have a USB Type-C cable for the power adapter, and at last this is SIM tool. Sadly, hand-free is not available. So this was a quick unboxing of the Galaxy A13, and here we have the package content. Now let's talk about few key specifications. On back there is branding of Samsung and the quad camera, and seriously device back is really cool, although it's plastic but there is a glossy touch on back. On bottom there is a speaker, USB Type-C port, mic and the headphone jack. On top there is another mic and nothing else. Right side has volume rockers and the power key, and this power key also operates as fingerprint sensor. And here is the fingerprint test. In my opinion it's working average, detecting accurately but speed is average. And the left side has SIM tray which can hold dual SIM along with external storage at same time, so that's good. And on front we have 6.6-inch 1080p PLS display. Samsung covers the corners here by not providing the AMOLED display, but still display is good with 400 pixel per density and Gorilla Glass 5. Chin and bezels are also fine. And the guru inside Galaxy A13 is Exynos 850, which is built on 8nm process, and it's octa-core. I have 4GB RAM variant with 128GB of storage, and we have Android 12 with One UI 4.1 on top, and that's really good on a budget phone. And we have quad camera on back which is 50 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and the two modules of 2 megapixel macro and depth. And we have 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging. Soon I will upload its complete review on my channel. So for now, here is the quick unboxing of the Galaxy A13. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.